Life may not be perfect, but your
Kitang
apple.
tulo. Kitang tulo.
You
Done.
click video.
I did.
You did already?
Wow, what
Yeah.
is
You
this?
did already? It's moving?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Popski.
Johnny will open it.
Visit na lang. Wow. Wow. Thank you, Maxine.
If we have-
Flask.
If we have an aqua flask and Mommy has an aqua flask, then you should also have an aqua flask.
Wow. Thank
Kind
you.
of you, huh?
Actually, it was Mommy's idea.
Oh, Maxine.
Video now.
You don't stop. This one is come.
Roger, kasali ka sa
Join us. Photo first, mommy. And then
Sige pa. 1, 2, 3.
Kili siguro ko.
Kaya naman. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Eh, naka-video gyapon mo.
Already. Di
Video.
na ka mag-play.
So,
Guys, nothing can stop me from playing.
can we see what's inside?
Sure.
We'll open it.
Kami rin mingaw ka Edri gabi iba.
Ha? Kaya sila na po dohan ni Jan. Nag-movie rin ni sila. Nagsugat sa...
Ano gina mo? Ikuha
Sa
sa Maxine. O, nagpakuan na. Nagpatingog na sa sakyanan.
It's kind of glass.
Dito ra mapoto kay
Yeah,
kuan.
it's meant to be like that.
Siminto.
Oh, nagkuhan si Jan. Na dito na lang
I've been
siya.
making my 3 songs already of my own.
Oh.
3 songs?
Yeah.
Na siya
Can you
composition.
sing? You have a composition?
No, I only have 3 songs I made.
Composition gani ang tawag.
But
This is the one. What is this?
Murag ka ng
Salted caramel flavored cream wafers. This is good for the oldies.
does he like salted caramel? I don't know.
Yeah, what's in your t-shirt? Life may not
Not
be
be perfect, but you're
Pwede rin yung letters pa. Kaling ay ni mo pa kay ko ano siya?
I made
yeah, Filipino song first.
Kani?
Saragola, lipat sila ng mataas. Saragola, naging saranggola. Saragola, lipat sila ng mataas. Saragola, naging saranggola. Lumipat sila ng mataas, lumipat sila ng masaya. Lumipat sila ng mataas at masaya. Lumipat sila ng mataas, lumipat sila ng masaya. Lipat sila ng mataas at masaya. Saragola, lipat sila ng mataas. Saragola, naging saranggola. Lumipat sila ng mataas, lumipat sila ng masaya. Lipat sila ng mataas at masaya. Lipat sila ng mataas, lumipat sila ng masaya. Lipat sila ng mataas at masaya. Lumipat sila ng mataas at masaya.
You composed that song?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Oh, while buhat
It's a Tagalog song.
Yeah, it is a Tagalog song.
Can I?
today.
Kite.
Hey, you know what's English of saranggola?
Huh?
Ay nalaman.
You know what's the English of saranggola? What?
Si Zia.
Kite.
Kite. So it's a kite.
Because I thought of this song because I was reading a story in my Filipino book. Then it says, the title is Ang Saranggolo, Gustong Lumipad ng Masaya. Then it has 2 kites that say Sara at that there are 2 kites that are named Sara at Gola. When I noticed when they combine them together, Saranggola.
So you're kind of creative now, huh? You can already compose a song.
Yeah, only 3.
I'm proud of you.
Yeah.
And you know that I have a song about Saranggola? Just one verse. Can you listen? Ah,
Yeah, but
this is my song about Saranggola.
I want you to put it down.
Why?
I said put it down. That's how like my song's done. Put it down.
Why? Why?
Put it down, please. I just don't want cameras anymore.
I just sing without camera.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
you're the one singing. I'm in front of here. Then how can you video yourself?